On this episode, we have an interview with our friend Kevin of Bioenno Power. Hello, this is John W7DBO with the Field Radio Podcast. If you want to learn more about how to get your gear and get outdoors, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss anything. I've just returned from the Orlando Hamcation 2018. While there, I got some interviews to bring to you. This interview with our friend Kevin of Bioenno Power. You know Bioenno Power from the famous blue batteries that is our go-to for field work. In this interview, we catch up with Kevin and find out what's coming out. So we're on here with Kevin of Bioenno Power. He was on our show a month or two ago. That's our most downloaded episode we have of the show. So batteries and solar is pretty popular. How are you doing to the show?
I'm doing great. Well, appreciate the opportunity to come here in Orlando Hamcation. Really happy to be here. It's a great event, good opportunity to see a lot of existing new customers and old customers, and really happy to show all the different products so people can see it hands-on.
So what's your new items you have coming out, or you just got out?
Right, so we have digital display controllers now, so we've added some new ones that have a digital display on them. So these particular controllers, we added like voltage information. A lot of customers requested to have some more information coming from the solar controllers. We also have various types of new packaged batteries. We've added other ones as well, depending on the configurations that customers have required. So long configurations, smaller configurations, things like that as well. So.
All right. Thank you very much, and thanks for taking time out.
All right. Appreciate the opportunity.
Thank you for watching. This is John W7DBO with the Field Radio Podcast. Until I see you next time, get your gear and get outdoors, and I'll see you on the air. 73.